How to deactivate my Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to go to your profile and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Then select an account center and then scroll down and tap on personal details. As you tap on personal details, you can see the option of account ownership and control. So tap on it, and here you can have two options: memorialization and deactivation or deletion. So just tap on deactivation or deletion and select the profile and then tap on deactivating your account. So this is a temporary process. So you just have a tap on continue, and you have to mention your password in for your security reasons, and then it will help you to deactivate your account. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.